In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the execution logs in n8n. If you're building workflows in n8n, execution logs are your quick window into what ran, when it ran, and how it performed. They're essential for troubleshooting, auditing, and simply keeping an eye on your automations. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly where to find them and what the information on that screen means, so you can confidently monitor your workflows. Start by looking at the left-hand pane of the n8n interface. Here, you can choose between Personal or Overview. Personal is great when you want to focus on the workflows you own or the ones most relevant to you. Overview, on the other hand, gives you a broader look at activity across the workspace, which is especially helpful in team environments or when you're responsible for monitoring multiple projects. Pick the one that matches your current need so the context of what you see is clear. Next, head over to the Executions tab. This is where n8n collects a chronological record of runs, and it's designed to help you quickly understand what's been happening behind the scenes. You don't need to dig through individual workflows to see activity. This tab centralizes it all in one place. On this page, you'll see a list of executions, each entry summarized with key details. The workflow name tells you which automation ran, so you can immediately connect the result to the process. The status column indicates the outcome, such as whether the run was successful or encountered an error. This is your first indicator of health. The date shows when the run occurred, helping you line up events with your expected schedule or triggers. The runtime tells you how long the workflow took to complete, which is useful for spotting performance changes or bottlenecks over time. And the execution ID serves as a unique reference, handy for audits, cross-referencing logs, or sharing a precise run with a teammate for review. A quick tip as you read this list: patterns are your friend. Repeated failures in the same workflow name, or gradually increasing runtimes, can point you toward the next area to optimize. Likewise, a clean history of successful statuses is a good sign that your automations are stable, and that's all you need to view execution logs in n8n. By choosing the right context in the left pane and visiting the Executions tab, you'll have a clear, organized snapshot of your workflow's activity and performance. Keep this screen in your regular routine, and you'll catch issues early, maintain reliability, and keep your automations running smoothly.